Now children, exercise 1.1 question 1 in that sub question 2. Question 1, it was what? Using the appropriate property you have to find the sum. Same question it is in that sub question, that using the property you have to solve this sum. First step, I have told in the first question that first step, just make the brackets into which numbers, the numbers which are in the multiplication. I will check which numbers are here in multiplication. See the sum, 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7. These two numbers, in between there is a multiplication sign, so I will keep the bracket. See here already round bracket is there, so I will not keep the round bracket, I can make the square bracket. So these two numbers I will keep in the square bracket. Then let's see, 1 upon 6 into 3 by 2. So these two numbers are also there is a multiplication sign between them. So what you will do, you will keep the bracket. And here also 1 upon 14 into 2 by 5. These two also, they are in there is a multiplication sign between these two numbers. So you will keep it in the bracket. Okay. Now see children, the second step was that you have to check whether any number is repeated or not. Okay. So let me see, 2 by 5, then here, last one. See, 2 by 5 is there. So there are two terms in which 2 by 5 is included. Let's see, any another term is there in which any other number is repeated? So no, only 2 by 5 is the number in which is repeated twice. So I will keep this one term, okay, then I will take this full term and then I will put this middle term at the last. Okay, this is called as regrouping. So these number, these twos I will keep together, and this, the number which is left, which does not have any common thing, that I will keep at a side. Now see, 2 by 5 and 2 by 5 is common, so I will take it outside the bracket. 2 by 5, when I am taking it outside, then inside bracket in the first term what will be left here? Minus 3 by 7. So that I will write. Here see, 2 by 5 is outside the bracket, so what will be left here? 1 upon 14. Then outside the bracket what it is? 1 upon 6 into 3 upon 2. Now this whole term, when we are regrouping, we are taking the number outside, common number outside, that is called as the distributive property. Then we will solve first the bracket. When we are solving the bracket, check whether denominator is same or not. Here it is not same, so I will take the LCM. Here LCM will be 14. Okay. Now 14 is already there in the right hand side. Here it is not there with the 7. So what you will make 7 as 14. 7 2s are 14. So 2 you will multiply in the denominator and in the numerator also. So 7 multiply with 2 and minus 3 multiply with 2. Then all the other things you will, all the other numbers you will keep it as it is. Now see, minus 3 into 2 is minus 6 plus 1 upon 14. 2 by 5 and minus 1 upon 6 into 3 by 2, that I have kept as it is. Now see, minus 6 plus 1, minus plus minus sign of greater. So here minus we will take, so minus 5, as 6 is the greater number. So minus 5 upon 14. Other things they are kept as it is. But see here, these two numbers are in multiplication. When the two numbers are in multiplication, you can solve the sum and you can make the rational number into the simplest form. But if addition and subtraction sign is there between two numbers, then you have to take LCM. Remember this, if addition or subtraction sign is there between two rational numbers, then you have to make them first as the denominator same. If there is a multiplication sign, then you don't have to do the LCM directly, you can solve the numerator and denominator. Okay. Now if I want to solve the numerator and denominator, what you will do, you will see the numerator and denominator. You can cancel numerator and denominator only. You cannot cancel numerator and numerator or denominator and denominator. Many students are doing this same mistake, that let's suppose here 2 upon 4 is there, into 2 upon 5 is there. So many students are doing like these two are there, so 2 to cut. That will be wrong. So what is the method? That here 2 upon 4 2 upon, so let's suppose 2 upon 4 into 2 upon 5 is there. What I told that many students are doing the mistake of cancelling numerator and numerator only, but that is wrong, okay. What you have to do, you have to see the numerator and denominator. So 2 ones are and 2 twos are. This is the correct way of simplifying the rational number, okay. If there is a multiplication sign, if there is a addition sign instead of this, let's suppose if I am taking 2 upon 4 plus 2 upon 5. So here now you will not cancel, okay. What you will, first step you will do as do the LCM and solve the sum. You can cancel, but don't do that method. You can just directly take LCM and then you solve the sum, okay. Now this was the extra part which was out of this question. Now we will go again to the question. Where were we? We were here solving this sum, this step, and we have solved that minus 6 plus 1 upon 14. So it will be minus 5 upon 14. Then here we are solving. See, 3 ones are, 3 twos are. Only this much we can solve. Now numerator is 1, 1 into 1, and denominator is 2 into 2. So what is left here? Minus 1 upon 4. Now what you can do, see, here also still the multiplication sign is there between two numbers, correct? So we can solve these two numbers more. How we can solve? See, 2 upon 5 into minus 5 upon 14 is there. Now in the table of 2, 14 is coming, so 2 ones are and 2 sevens are, and 5 will be cancelled. So what is left in the numerator? Minus 1 upon, in the denominator is 7. So answer will be minus 1 upon 7, and minus 1 upon 4 will go as it is at the next step. Now see, between them, between the two rational numbers, there is a subtraction sign. Now as I explained, if there is a addition or subtraction sign between the two rational numbers, then you have to first make the denominator equal by doing the LCM. Here LCM is 7 fours are 28. So 7 into 4, in the numerator also you will multiply with 4. At the next number you will multiply with 7, and numerator also 7. So what is left in the numerator here? Minus 4, denominator 28. At the next one it will be minus 7 upon 28. Now denominator is same. So minus 4 minus 7, answer is minus 11 upon 28. So you have learnt this question. Again you watch this video, and you have any doubt then you can contact me anytime. Thank you.